Bro, please don't tell me it's one of those pranks. Please, God, don't tell me it's one of those pranks. It's another box inside of a box. What? Wait. Coca-Cola? But this looks like the old can. This looks like the old can. Sprite? Wait, it's from Mexico? Chat, say you swear to God. Wait, Mexican Coca-Cola? Are you guys serious? Bro, they sent in the Sprite too, chat. This is from Mexico, and they sent in Fanta. How do y'all know it's from Mexico? How do y'all know? It is Fanta Naranja. Engage exclusivo para. This is from Mexico. Bro, I have a can opener. I've never had Mexican Coke before.